Good day, guys. Bing here. Just recently I saw a comment. It's about I just couldn't find it anymore. So it's about how to place model, create a model text void on a curved wall. So I think that this can be quite interesting. It's quite simple, and but it can also be a bit tricky. So I'm going to just quickly talk about this. So the idea is the same. So we all know that if we have a wall, we can just place directly. Oops, sorry. We can directly place model text on it, right? So hang on, let me set word plan first. We can place model text on this, okay, and then we can have a negative. For example, negative depths, and then we can join, okay, and then oops, and then we can join switch join order, and then we just hide the text, so we can achieve this. So you can see this. This is void, okay, a void. That's I think that's it. Yeah. So basically, so this is the idea. But if we have a curved wall, so for example, I just create a curved wall. How can we do this? So we can't, because we can't pick a plan onto this. Can we? No, we can't. There are some different options. Okay, so first let's try. So we can create a word plan. Okay, so one example is we can place a reference plan. For example, this. Just place it roughly so close to the wall. Okay, so maybe just name it, give it a name. So easy. So we can easily set word plan onto this reference plan, okay, and then we can just place a model text onto this. So again, we need to increase this depths or negative, okay, to make sure. So sometimes, so you can see here, sometimes if this text is not deep enough, sometimes it won't work. So let's draw in geometry. Okay, so this is what will happen. Okay, so just make sure so that it's deep enough, and then this should work, right? So and then switch join order, hide the text. Oh, hang on, Control Z. Looks like if we when we use join geometry, so I think the first one I can't remember. So let's just try. I'll just copy this and copy. Hang on. Let's do this. Just have do some test. Okay. So first let's unjoin. Unjoin geometry. Okay. So let's try join and pick the text first, and then pick the wall second. So let's just try to hide the text. Okay, so it looks like if we pick the text first, we don't need to use switch join order. Okay, so let's Control Z, go back. Okay, so this time let's use join geometry, pick the wall first and pick the text. Now if we hide the text EH, so you can see there's nothing. Okay, so looks like the first element you pick, it will keep the first element. Okay, so this time because we picked the wall first, we need to use join geometry. Oh, sorry, wrong one. Oh, sorry, we need to use a switch join order. Okay, so pick the wall, pick the text. Now we can hide the text, and then so okay. So So this is one of the options, and you can also create a face-based family. So you can quite easily directly place onto these walls. Okay, you don't need to create a word plan or create a reference plan. You don't need to do that. So now let's try this. So first, need to create a new family. It will be a generic model, face-based. Okay, so face-based, and then we're going to place a model text onto this space, and we need to do the same. So depths. So you can create so for example, let's create a parameter for the depths d instance. Okay, and okay. So you can also create parameter for materials. Okay, so material, and you can also create a parameter for text. So which means you can adjust, you can change the text in this project instead of edit this family and change the text. So select it. Let's just click on this, and we can maybe call it text instance. Okay, and okay. So all good. Yeah, so these are the size. Maybe you can also change create parameter, so you can change the size. All good. So now let's load. Let's have a look in 3D view. So because we need to, when we place this one, we need to join geometry with the curved wall. So we want to increase the depth of this, and also we want this depth to be a negative number. So for now, just type in negative, like maybe 400, something like that. Okay, so I think that's it. And then we can load this one into the project. So let's go to 3D view. So now you can see you can just change this one to join. Place on face. Okay, so if you use place on word plan, you can only place. You need to set a word plan. So for example, pick a word plan. Maybe pick a level, for example, and then you will place this model on this level. Okay, so if you use, let's just select this one, CS, create a similar, and if you place on face, you will be able to place onto a curved surface, for example this curved wall. So let's just place it. Okay, so now you can see we can, because this is a generic model, so we know that the generic model category, we can join this with some system families like wall. So let's do it. Okay, so here we have some issue. So this issue is Revit didn't tell you what's going on here. So it's because the curved surface, and with the we're trying to join them. So we know that when we have curved surface with like either join or sometimes void, this happens. Okay, so we just need to move this out a little bit. Okay, move this out. So to do this, we need to go back to family. So let's go to a front view. You can see this is a base. So currently, because we can only have a depth, so it's either this way or this way. So what we can do is we can add a reference plane. So for example, I'll just place a reference plane here and add a dimension, maybe just typing maybe 100 mil, and then select this model text, and see here, edit word plan, click on this, and then pick a plan and click OK, and pick this reference plane. So now this model text, it will be placed from 100 mil away from the this base, and because it's also still negative, so it will go cut down. So you won't have the issue with like tangent. I mean, along what do we call this? Yeah, you know what I mean. Okay, so this will avoid having those surface along with a curved surface and then create those issues. Okay, so now let's load this one into this project. Override. So now you can see this text will come out a little bit. Okay, and then still go, because it's a negative, it'll go that way. So it looks like these are just enough depths. So let's just have a test. So join. We need to pick the text first and pick the wall. Great. Now we can just hide it, and that's it. Okay. So can we adjust? So let's type Control Z to unhide the model. So okay, so this is the depth. So in case this wall is thicker, so we can always increase the depth of this. So for example, -600, right? And also we can adjust the material here, so you can change the probably we don't need, because we're cutting a void, we don't need to change it. We will hide the text anyway. So, and this is the text. So you click on this little box, and you can type in a different text, right? Okay, so can we change the size? Not sure. So we probably need to go into this one, select this model text, and click on this. Yes, I think we can. So this is the text size. So let's size instance as well. Or yeah, we can also create a parameter for this. But yeah, let's just leave them. Okay, so load this back, override, and select this family. So now we have this size. So increase size. Oh, we have some issue here. I think it's probably because the depth is not enough. So let's increase the depth as well, and then change the size. Yeah, that's better. So you can see it's here. It's about here, I think. Oh, yeah. Why it's not? Yeah, I don't know. Maybe okay. So maybe it's because the along to the left side. So let's have a look. Select this one. Say horizontal align. What if we change it to center? Load this back. Overwrite. Okay, so that's better. Yeah. So. Ooh. Good. So yeah, and then if we hide the text, so it will cut some void on this curved wall. So I think this is it. So this I think the face-based families it's better, because you can just drag this on this on this curved wall. Okay, it will automatically align with this wall. Oops. Down here. Oh, too high. Yeah. Okay, but this one we let's show hidden, unhide. So for this one, because we used a reference plane to place this, so if we need to move this one, we need to also rotate this we need to also rotate this reference plane. Yeah, so we have issue here. So yeah, it can be tricky. Okay. Yeah, you can move. Oh yeah, move this, rotate this a little bit, and then move it. Oh, yeah, it's very hard. Rotate this. Oh hell, select this RO space. Pick the center point, rotate. See here. So this is it's not a very good method. So I think this is it. So we can create a face-based family with a model text inside of it, and then place it onto a curved surface. curved wall, and we join and hide it. Okay, so hopefully, because we can only have this flat model text, so maybe in the future we can create model text that follow the surface. So that will be perfect for this. But for this, I think probably you can just create a similar place. You can always create multiple. So for example, I'll just create one. I'll call it M. Okay, M. Copy this to here, and then you can just change it. Change MO. Oops. CS. Yeah. CS create similar MOD. So you can also do this. So if you do this, all these text. Oh, sorry, wrong one. Just click on this. CC. Yeah, sometimes looks like CC copy doesn't work, so we can just CS create similar, and then model text. So if you do it this way, so all these text. Oh, hang on. Okay, so this, I think this is it's because I used copy, so it will follow the orientation of this text. So what we can do is we can just use pick new and then pick this wall again, so it will be perpendicular to the wall. So yeah, same as this one, pick new. Okay, so that's better. So yeah, so this is how you can if you need all these text to be perpendicular to the wall, so you can just create them individually. So and then join model wall, model wall, model wall, model wall. Oops, model model wall. That's fine. Model wall, and then SAEH. That's it. Okay, so this is it. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Thank you.